Hey guys, it's Meso here. Thanks for popping in. Come on in, because I am going to show you something today you're never going to forget. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to make something that's easy, quick, simple, but most of all, delicious, honey. So we're going to get started right now. You ready? Let's go. Hey, let's take a look at what we're going to be using to make this dish. We've got some thyme leaves, some pepper. I have some flour here. I've got a little bit of sugar I'm going to use. I have some milk. I'm using evaporated, but you can use whatever milk you choose. I have also some ground allspice. And I'm going to have all of the measurements in the description box. So don't worry, you'll be able to get everything. I've got some red pepper, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. And of course, I'm going to be using some salt. Here is my Napa cabbage, and these are the leaves that I separated from the whole little bunch. And I've already washed these and dried these, cleaned them really good. Aren't they beautiful? Now we're going to get to work with them, honey. So I have this bowl here where I've already put all of these seasonings that you've just seen. Let me run over them real quick. Onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, thyme, salt, and pepper. I put most of this in here, but except for the my ground allspice. So let me get that in now. And I'm going to mix it up, and I'm coming back with my cup of milk. And I'm mixing it up. Get it all. I don't want any lumps. You know, I don't want to see any lumps at any time, in any place. I am putting in some cornstarch. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm back to mixing again, honey. So I'm going to get this. It looks pretty smooth. All the time I have had this griddle heating up, and I put a little oil on it, but I decided I don't really need that oil, so I'm not going to put any more. But I'll use the oil that I have because this is a really good non-stick. Now I don't really need that oil. So I'm dipping my cut Napa cabbage leaves into the batter, and then I'm getting it on to the griddle. Now I'm going to use these for breakfast. Kind of use them like you would a pancake or any other kind of little piece of bread. I'm going to use this for, well, you'll see how I'm going to use it. Right now, let's just cook it. If you cook this also, I want to say, if you cook it for any other meal, like for lunch or dinner, just make you a nice little remoulade sauce with it, and you can dip it. Really, really nice. And really, real good change. So I'm letting these get browned, and you brown them to your perfection, to whatever is perfection for you. Now these are not going to get, the leaves themselves are not going to get crispy. Just the coating on the outside will get crispy. Kind of like that. So I'm getting some more on here, and you decide how much you need for your family. But these are awesome. This is my take on the Korean fried cabbage leaves. May not be exact, but it's good. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start getting these up so I can plate them up. Then we can start eating. The sooner the better for me. Wow. Okay, guys, take a look. Now I have paired these with some other ingredients, and I'm not even going to get my spinner. I'm just going to pick the plate up and show it to you. Look at there, look at there. I also have some cheese eggs, and I'll show you in another video how to make these. These are so good. I got some bacon, and I have some grits. Okay, now here's how I'm going to eat mine. I'm just going to get this up and break off a little piece of the fried Napa cabbage. And then I'm going to get some of these wonderful, wonderful eggs. Like I say, I'll show you how to make these. These are so soft and so good. I'll put a little bit of grits in mine, and I'll eat some bacon alongside. But I'm just going to wrap mine like this and get a taste. Ooh, so good. Good. Yeah, this gets the big thumb up, honey. A100, whatever you want to call it. This is what it is. I want to thank you guys for coming by to check on me today to see what I was cooking. Now, you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope I did not disappoint. I want you to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a big thumbs up. Share my videos wherever you're active on social media, and leave me some comments because I love hearing from you guys. Hey, guys, guess what? Now I'm on Instagram. Yeah, on Instagram, where I'm going to be sharing a lot more things with you. I'm also on Facebook, and there you can, when you make my recipes, you can put some of your pictures pictures up. I'd love to see how your recipes look. I am also on TikTok. And now I'm Meso, making it on all of those platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I want you, I'm new to those platforms. I want you to come over and support me. Give me a follow. Yeah. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. I love you. Be kind to somebody and share your food.